mabanang, mabilis at simpleng dish, try mo na to. But before that, shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga solid supporters, si Dandoy's Channel, Epi Sampanga, and Black and Purple 6937. Hello guys! Unahin natin ilagay ang ground pork at hintayin natin lumabas ang mantika. This is 1/4 kilo ng kiniling, and if marami kayo sa bahay, you can double the recipe. Then after a while, we can add our chopped small onion. You can use red or white, any onion will do. Isunod na rin natin ang ating dalawang minced garlic. And then, lutuin lang natin for 5 minutes. Sinunod ko na rin ilagay ang ating 1 small can of mushroom. And then, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And then, para balanse ang lasa, let's add pinch of salt and pepper. By this time, guys, you need to try if okay na sa inyo yung lasa, and then adjust according to your taste. I also add few string beans para mas healthy ang ating dish. And yeah, ready to serve na to. I add few sesame seeds for garnish. Optional lang yun guys, arte-arte lang. Ang dish natin for today is very budget-friendly, yummy, and easy. So try nyo na rin next time. Thank you for watching. See you guys on my next vlog.